Building an online store traditionally means managing a massive graveyard of platforms. You need a website builder for the front end, a separate tool for product sourcing, customer support software, analytics dashboards, email marketing suites. Each one requires a separate setup, separate monthly fees, and constant maintenance. It's a maze of tools that leads straight to burnout. But what if you didn't have to hire a team or spend weeks stitching these tools together? What if your founding team was actually a squad of specialized AI agents that didn't just assist you, but actually did the work 24/7 so you didn't have to handle it alone? Today, we're looking at Genstore AI. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in commerce, moving from software tools to AI operators. Genstore is currently at level 2.5 on the e-commerce evolution scale, sitting right between partial automation and early autonomy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a complete, ready-to-sell store in minutes using this AI agent team. Let's dive in. Okay, this is the Genstore AI homepage. You will find the link in the description. You just have to create an account, and you will be on this page. It asks what kind of products we want to sell. You will find 4 options: your own product, dropshipping product, digital product, and you can decide later. Today, I am going to focus on dropshipping products. So, I am selecting the dropshipping product option. In the next step, you will find 2 options: design with AI and create the design manually. I am going to design with AI. Now, we have to select the style or product. You can select the product or switch to a minimal style. If you want any different style or product, you can enter the prompt here in this box. For example, I am entering, create a minimalist tech accessories store, offering sleek functional products for modern professionals, wireless chargers, cable organizers, laptop stands, and desk accessories with a clean contemporary design. Now, simply hit the send button. The agent will analyze the request and process it. Now, we can select some products from here. You can skip it too. Genstore has a vast library of authorized suppliers and products. You can select the products from here. I am randomly picking some products. We can analyze and get the best products later. Once all the products are added, click on the send button. Now the agents will start building our store. You can see all the agents are working for us. These are not just random agents. Genstore has special agents for every task. This is like a real team that will help you succeed. You can see the process in real time. Alright, the store is ready. You can see the preview from here. This is really amazing and looks like a professional store interface. If you find anything wrong, you can customize the store. There are 2 ways to do that. You can ask AI to do that, and if you want to customize the store manually, just click on the Customize button from here. This is the manual editing interface. Now you can select any elements from here and customize them as per your needs. You can customize every single layout and element. This drag and drop, easy-to-use customization feature gives you full control to design your store. However, I found my store is just perfect. So I will do only some minor customization. Alright, our store design is ready. Now we have to set up the store. Here, under the store preview, I found 2 options: 3-minute quick setup and unlock store. I will complete the store first. Now we get some options. First, we have to set the store name. The Genstore agent already set a name for our store. We can keep it or refine the name. If you click on the Refine button, you will find 2 options: AI-generated store name and custom store name. I will go with a custom name. Now we have to enter the name. Once the name is set, continue to the next step, setting up the shipping area. Here, you can set a specific shipping country or area. Okay, next, we have to set up the domain. Genstore already suggests a subdomain. You can add a custom domain. Once you click on the Refine button, you will find 3 options: AI-generated domain name, Genstore domain, and Connect existing domain. For this one, I will go with a Genstore domain. Just enter the name of the domain, and you will be done. You have to confirm the domain name. Okay, our domain is updated. Now we have to set up the payment method, how the customer will pay us. Genstore allows all the major payment methods, including PayPal, card, Stripe, COD, and others. Okay, Our payment method is set, and our store has been built. And this is the dedicated store link. Now you can click here and visit the store. Now you can share the store, and if anyone buys products from here, you will get the payment via Genstore. You don't need to do anything. Alright, now we will add products. Don't worry, you don't have to search all over the internet and find the suppliers. Genstore has a vast library of authorized suppliers and products. Once you click on Find Dropshipping Products, it will analyze the market and ask you to select the product category and subcategory. Just enter your product category and subcategory, and the Genstore agent will search and find you the best product. Now you just have to select the product. Once all the products are added, you can publish the store. And here it is. Our store is ready. And you can see all the products are ready. So, we created the store, designed it, and added our products, and all of this took only 10 minutes. Okay, now if you think the home page is not looking good, you can come to the store option here. You will find a bunch of pre-built premium quality themes. You can select any of them. Just install the theme, and it will apply to your store. This is not the end. There are some more agents available on Genstore. You can create a marketing campaign using the marketing agent. You just have to select or ask what you want. After that, we have the analytics agent that will analyze your store performance. You don't have to analyze it manually. Alright, here in the dropshipping tab, you will find all the products. This is the library of over 1 million products in different categories, so you don't have to worry about product sourcing. You will find various marketing campaign builders in the Marketing tab. In the Sales channel, you will find all the social plugins that turn your customer service into pro level. After that, you can see the store reports in the Analytics tab. This is what I mean when I say Genstore isn't just assisting, it's actually doing the work. I'm not connecting 5 different tools and manually copying data between them. The agents are coordinating everything in one place. So here's why this matters, and I'm not trying to sound like an ad here, but this is genuinely a different approach to e-commerce. Most platforms are still focused on giving you better tools, better templates, better integrations, better dashboards. And that's great, but you're still the one doing all the work. You're still the operator. Genstore is betting on something different. It's not just giving you tools, it's giving you operators. The AI agents aren't just suggesting things, they're executing. They're researching, building, optimizing, and reporting. And like I mentioned earlier, this is part of a bigger shift happening in e-commerce. Tools are evolving from assistants to actual autonomous operators. Genstore is at level 2.5 right now, which means it's automating a lot of the workflow, but you're still in control. You're setting the direction, and the AI is handling the execution. The next stage, level 3, is where the AI starts managing entire scenarios end to end. And eventually, level 4 is where it operates almost autonomously within the guardrails you set. We're not there yet, but this is the direction things are heading. For now, if you're someone who's been wanting to start an online store but felt overwhelmed by all the moving parts, or if you're already running a store and you're tired of juggling 10 different tools, Genstore is worth checking out. I'll drop a link in the description. They also have a Discord community where you can get extra credits and connect with other people building stores. Alright, that's it. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you end up building a store with Genstore, I'd love to see what you create. See you in the next one.